boys and girls. Today I am excited to share two books with you. But first I'm going to ask you a couple questions. We've been studying about fiction and nonfiction in the library, correct? Now, there are also what we call different types of genres of books. So I'm going to ask you a couple questions. How many of you like sports fiction books? Those are chapter books and they're about sports, but they're not real. Okay. Now, how many of you like fantasy? That would be your Harry Potter fans out there. Okay, hands down. How many of you like realistic fiction? It could happen in real life, but it doesn't. Okay, hands down. How many of you like nonfiction? Books that are facts. All right, hands down. Now I'm going to ask you, how many of you like mystery? Ooh, good, good, good. Because, hands down, I'm excited to share. I've got two books here that are in the mystery genre. Right here I have Gordon Korman. He has written the book Swindle. Raise your hand if any of you have read this book. Swindle. Hands down. Gordon Korman is also famous for writing book number 2 in 39 Clues. But here I'm going to share what Swindle has to offer. Griffin, also known as the man with the plan, and his friend, they get together, and Griffin has this idea that there's this haunted house in their town, and he and his friend should stay overnight in this house. Now, how many of you have always wanted to sleep overnight in a creepy haunted house? Okay, hands down. They decide to do this. Their other friends chicken out. Well, they go exploring, and lo and behold, right there in a desk is a baseball card. It's not just any baseball card. They decided it's old, and they wondered if it's worth some money. So they take it to a collector, and guess what? How many of you think this card is valuable? Yes, it is very valuable. And here's the deal. The boys don't really know it's that valuable because the owner says it's just worth $1, no big deal. So they sell it to the owner. That night the owner's on the TV, and right there, it's $1 million baseball card. So these boys go on an adventure to find that card, and what they discover is the card is missing. So they're on this adventure to find the missing card and find the missing clues to where it's located. You're going to have to check out this book to see if they find the the baseball card and what they encounter along the way. All right. Next book. The name of this book is Secret. How many of you like a series of unfortunate events? Okay. If you like that series, you're going to love this one. The author writes in the same kind of style. Now, we got here a girl named Cass and a boy named Max. They're kind of outcasts of their class. Nobody really likes them because they're just unique in their own way. But these two become friends, and they discover a box with a secret inside. And the thing about this is the author doesn't want you to know about the secret. Here, I'll show you the first page. I think this book is hilarious. Right here it says, warning, do not read beyond this page. Now, if you read that, would you want to keep reading? Yeah, I kept on reading. Then it gets better. The first chapter is all X's. He still wants you not to read this book. So, you keep on reading, you discover they have this box that has a secret in it, but then there are two bad guys. There always has to be a bad guy in some mystery book, right? These two bad guys are after that box with the secret in it. So as you read this book, you keep finding out what they're doing with this box, how they're hiding it from the bad guys, and you just want to know what the secret is. You're going to have to read the book to find out what is that secret. So right here I've got two books. Swindle by Gordon Korman, and the name of this book is Secret, is book number 1 in a series, and it's by Mr. Bosch. There you have it. Do you have any questions? Yes, Angela? Yeah, they're both mysteries. The name of this book is Secret. The mystery is what is the secret and why are the bad guys after it? And right here is Swindle. Where is that missing baseball card and why is it so valuable?